Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to activate Xfinity Pods. So the first step is to enable Bluetooth on your phone. So we're gonna have to install the Xfinity app and then simply sign in. Then select the account tab from the bottom right corner of the app and scroll down to device section and select activate Wi-Fi boost pods. Now simply choose which Wi-Fi boost pod you're installing and then tap on get started. After that, what you're gonna have to do is simply plug in your first pod on activate electrical outlet in your home, select next to view tips on pod placement, and hold your phone 6 inches away from your first pod to ensure that the Xfinity app can associate the pods with your account and connect the first pod to your gateway. If you have more than one pod, once your first pod is connected, you'll need to plug in your remaining pods throughout your home, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.